Okay guys, this is my buddy Don's 1258 FA I've been working on repairing from the fall over right there in the gravel that did a bunch of damage on the right side. And his friend is buying it from him, dear old friend. He gave him a good deal on it. And he's on his way to pick it up. And here's the final results. This whole panel on this side's new. Those are the covers I refurbed. My whole shot muffler that I completely refurbed for him. And there's still scratches on the tank and the paint and everything. Like I say, this bike has been toured all over the United States. It has 62,000 miles on it. Mechanically, Don took very good care of it. He's just not a detail freak like me. But I rubbed it out with everything I had and still made it look pretty sweet. Yeah, that's a Rick Mare seat that he used to have custom made. But yeah, there's the final results, guys. Very happy with it. The new chain went through the coolant, oil, engine oil. Double checked everything. Well, Don, what do you think?
I think I can't really thank you enough.
You're very welcome.
It's great to have friends.
Yeah, we need to straighten out. Now I can see one thing, and I didn't do it. The license plate bracket itself is crooked. You see it, guys? Down on the left side. I'm going to have to fix that real quick. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this little series of this Bandit 1250 job I did. We'll catch you on the next video. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Give me a like. Comment below, okay? And we'll see you on the next video, guys. God bless you all. Have a great day.